Smile for the thumbnail. What's up guys, it is snowing a lot outside and I'm wearing some heavy duty jacket, whatever you want to call this thing. So today we are gonna make some ice with snow. You need some gloves, you need snow, you need some plate to hold the snow, and you need some water. Right here is my microphone. You can actually see this feather of elephant, and yeah. So all you have to do is add some water on the snow. So let's just add this water. Boom boom boom, and just mix this. Let's mix guys. Let's mix this boy, mix. This reminds me of slime, like you know, this is how you make slime. Let's pour this boy in. Oh my goodness, I think that's too much water, but I don't know. Let's just keep on mixing this. Mix. Let's punch. Oh my goodness, it's flying everywhere. Let's keep on mixing. Mix. Let me just stand up and mix. Like when you have a lot of snow and when you try to make ice, the snow shrinks down. So you need a lot of snow to make a lot of ice, guys. Because if you have little bit of snow, the ice is gonna be tiny. That's why. Let's fold it and let's just make it into one. Let's just do this, guys. I'm not strong, guys. Let me just try it like this. Oh my goodness, my brain is tickling. If we make like a circle ice, it's gonna be really awesome. Add water to the ice. Let's add all. We added all the ice. Now the ice is floating. It's good. Oh my goodness, I cracked. A lot of water is spilling. Boom. Right there. Put that water back. Punch. We break the ice. Is that even possible? I failed. This is not even ice. Look at this. It is hard snow. Challenge failed. It doesn't even look like ice. Hit that like button so I can break this. Boom. We break it. See this? This is not even ice. This is my brother's jacket. My hand is freezing. Open. Happy winter, guys. Happy winter. My hair is ruined now. It is going down. Let's open this jacket. It is not even cold. I'm not even outside. So why I'm wearing this jacket? Happy winter, guys. There is no school today because it is snowing a lot today. In the weather, it said it gonna snow like 6 to 10 inches tall. Like it is really amazing. Comment below what video should I make tomorrow about the winter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Let's get 10 ice likes. That makes no sense, but still hit that thumbs up button and I'll donate you some ice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Narking out.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I served it up, it goes down.